Wow, Grandpa Neighborhood Watch, share, like, subscribe.
So long I did search for life's meaning, enslaved by the world and greed. Then the door of my prison was opened by love, and the ransom was paid. I was set free. So long I search for life's meaning, enslaved by the world and greed. Then the door of my prison was opened by love, and the ransom was paid. I was free. I am free from the fears of tomorrow. I am free from the guilt of my past. I have traded my shackles for a glorious song. I am free, praise the Lord, free, free at last. I am free from the guilt that I carry, from the dull, empty life